Welcome back. Let's discuss double angle formulae and also find out how we can prove them. Right? Double angle formulae are as follows. We have sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a times cos a. And then these three are for cos 2a. So cos 2a is equal to cos squared a minus sine squared a. Then cos 2a is equal to 2 cos squared a minus 1. Or cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So what can we use to prove the double angle formulae? We can use the compound angles. Check that. Sine 2a is just the same as sine a plus a. Okay, just same as sine a plus a, like this. So we can use compound angles to prove that this is equal to 2 sine a cos a. And even cos 2a is just same as cos a plus a. And then we can prove these three.